If I had my way, Zimbabwe's constitution would compel any party that wins a majority to surrender a set quota of ministries to opposition MPs, not as charity and not as tokenism, but as a deliberate safeguard against one-party arrogance and the suffocation of dissent. Sarabina mashoko panguva ino anasetitori nherera panguva ine vari kuuya vachienda against ava zviri kuitwa nezvigananda panguva ine kuri kuonekwa kunzi these guys panguva ine vari kumisuse the constitution kuti vangobenefita mabusinesses avo. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell kuti ipinda muna mubudani kwamuchinzi. We have seen it time and again. Once a party captures the state, power becomes concentrated, scrutiny evaporates, and government turns into a fiefdom for the ruling elite. This is why our politics have been reduced to a vicious zero-sum game, where the winner takes all, loser loses everything, and the people are left at the mercy of unchecked authority. But imagine a system where victory at the polls does not translate into absolute monopoly. Imagine a government forced by law to accommodate opposing voices at the very heart of executive decision making. That is how you cultivate accountability. That is how you institutionalize checks and balances. And that is how you end the dangerous illusion that political power is the exclusive property of one faction. Power sharing of this kind would not weaken governance, it would strengthen it. It would inject diversity of thought into ministries, encourage compromise instead confrontation, and guarantee that the opposition is not just shouting from the sidelines but shaping policy inside the system. In a country as polarized as ours, that might be the only way to keep national interest above party interest. Zimbabwe's future demands more than slogans and recycled promises. It demands structural reforms that clip the wings of absolute power, forcing ruling parties to share ministries with the opposition would be a bold start and perhaps the shock therapy our broken politics desperately needs. Thomas Kwarubuda panguva ino setfunginerera ndokufunga kwake panouya panguva ino achiti aiwa panguva ino power is centralized kuZANU-PF and panguva ino kunonzi opposition has been shattered and ma-citizens panguva ino obva vasiwa vari abandoned. Tudze mafunguro enyu motidi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section menzo mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.